Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Alisha. Today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup every day. So without further ado, let's get started to the video. So I have already moisturized my skin. So let's start with the concealer. I don't use foundation in a daily basis. I only use a concealer, and for concealer I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 20 Sand. So let's get started. I just put it under the eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead. And I blend it with the sponge. After it's nice and blended, I'm going to use my powder to set it. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade 220. I'm using this big fluffy kind of brush. Just setting my concealer with this powder. After setting my face, I'm gonna use a bronzer. I'm gonna use my favorite bronzer, butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm using this big fluffy kind of brush to apply my bronzer. I don't contour in a daily basis, so I'm just using a bronzer. After my face is nice and bronzed, I'm going to use this blush, Milani Luminoso. Just applying it to the apples of my cheeks. After that, I'm going to apply my highlighter. I'm using this Milani Strobe Light in shade 2. I'm just gonna highlight in the usual areas. Lightly. Nothing too harsh. A little bit in my nose. My brow bones. Now we don't use eyeshadow in a daily basis to be practical, so I always take the same bronzer I used into my crease to define it. Blend, 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 blend. after that I'm gonna take a same highlighter that I used on my cheeks and apply it to my eyes. Just using my fingers. Okay, now we are done. For my eyebrows, I only fill my eyebrows lightly on the daily basis. So I'm filling my eyebrows. I'm filling my eyebrows with Miniso eyebrow pencil. Just ever so slightly. That's all I do with my eyebrows. I don't apply eyeliner so on a daily basis, so I'm only using a mascara. For mascara, I'm using this Lash Paradise Volume Mascara. I'm going to coat my lashes lightly. So yeah, that's all I do with my entire face. Now let's move on to the lips. I don't use lip liner on a daily basis. I just take a lipstick. I'm taking this Milani matte lipstick in Amore. It's not Amore, it's Fling. I'm taking this Milani matte lipstick in Fling and apply it to my lips. So guys, this is all I do with my face, quick and easy. So let's get it ready. So guys, this is the finished makeup look, fresh and easy, ready to go. So yeah, this is it for the video. If you enjoyed watching this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.